How to make Korean spicy noodles. Let's start. Peel the cucumber and cut it into thin strips. Not too thin, you want a nice crunch. Put the cucumber in a bowl. Add salt and mix. After 10 minutes, gently squeeze out of the water. Set aside. Do not skip salting the cucumber. If you do, you want to mix well with the noodles. Boil the egg for 7 minutes. 7 minutes for a soft yolk. Boil longer if you want it firm. Now, make the sauce. Add 120 ml of water and all the seasonings. Mix well. Sauce is done. Easy. Boil the noodles in plenty of water. Stir once so they don't stick. When foam rise, add a little water. Do this 3 times. Then the noodles are ready. Drain the noodles and rinse the cold water. This removes the flour taste. Gently squeeze out of the water. Don't squeeze too hard. You want the noodles moist. Add the noodles to the sauce. Mix well. Now plate it. Put noodles in a bowl. Top with egg and cucumber. Done! Enjoy!
Damn, that's good! Where did it go?